Welcome guys. So today we are going to solve these 4 integrations. Okay, so in order to do this, let me just quickly mention the trick. So basically the trick is that, for example, the first one, the cosine ax plus sine ax, right? The key point is to write this cosine a, because that there's a sine, right? So there differentiation respect to sine's cosine, but there's a cosine term, right? So the key is that if you can write this cosine ax plus sine ax into like cosine x plus sine ax, cosine ax minus sine ax. All right, and you can write it plus plus the sine ax, right? Okay, so the trick is that once you do this, then this turn this turn can be solved, but then you get the same turn, right? So it's somewhat like the key point is that there's a half here, right? So how about I write this into this one, but with a half, right? So I want to write as 1 plus sine ax, right? And there's a cosine here, so it's cosine ax minus sine ax, right? So and I add a half, right? So one can write this as this. So if you just do the integration, then you get the x plus log cosine ax plus sine ax, right? Because the cosine derivation is minus sine and the sine derivation is cosine. So we get the first one. Okay, and the third one is the same as the first one, because if you add it up, then you get x, right? So you can write as this. Okay, and for the second one, the third one, then the similar. So let me just quickly do it. So one can write this one is cosine ax minus sine x cosine ax as a cosine minus sine plus cosine plus sine, right? Because we need to make the this one differentiation respect to denominator become a numerator, right? And so this is cosine plus sine, cosine minus sine, right? So the key is that somehow if we add 1, right, and then we get the answer, so it's half. Okay, so we do the differentiation, we do the integration, we get x plus ln cosine ax plus sine ax. But notice that when you cosine differentiation is minus sine, right? So and the sine differentiation is cosine, so this is sine differentiation is cosine, so there is a minus sign here. So get this one, x over 2 minus 1 over a ln cosine ax minus sine plus sine ax. Sorry, minus sine ax. So we get this one. Okay, that's it, and I will see you guys in the next videos.